Hi everyone and happy holidays. Mr. Glen here, and today we're going to look at holiday decorating traditions. We see lots of Christmas trees decorated all fancy, like this one here in our lobby. We also see trees using decorative garland like this one. But did you know Victorian era did not use this kind of garland? Instead, they would make their own out of food like the one on this tree here, made out of popcorn and cranberries. Making your own garland like this is really simple. Let's take a look. To get started, you'll need just a few supplies: popcorn, cranberry, thread, a needle, and a pair of scissors. First, you'll need to measure out how long you want your garland to be. Mine is about 3 feet or 1 meter long. Next, you will want to tie the end of the string so that the pieces do not fall off at the end. Finally, it's time to thread your needle and get started. What you'll need to do is just take the needle and poke it through either the popcorn or the cranberry, and you can go in any kind of order you want. I'm going to make an alternating pattern between the popcorn and the cranberry. So we're going to get started here and just take it and poke it through. Oops. And some of the pieces of popcorn you might not work. They might be a little crumbly. That's all right. We've got plenty of popcorn to test. Gonna go towards almost the end there. Next, I'm gonna take a cranberry. And it's a little tricky when you're poking it through some of these things. It's harder to see where your needle's going to go. So you need to just be careful that you don't go and accidentally stick yourself. And you want them kind of tight together, so you see a pattern just starting to form here. And you're going to keep going all the way through until you get to the very end. Leave just enough space so that you can tie it all off. And we're just going to do the last few here. Going to get one more cranberry here. Find a good one. Now that I'm coming towards the end of the string, I want to leave just enough so I can tie it off. So I'll cut off just after my needle here, get one more piece of popcorn. Not that piece. I'm gonna try another one here. All right. And then so I'll just cut this off just right there. And then I will tie this up. Alright, and there you have your own popcorn and cranberry garland that you can put on your tree or you can hang outside. The nice thing about using cranberries and popcorn is that they're all edible, so this will only stay good for a few days, but I'm going to hang mine outside on a tree branch so that some of our friends outside, our birds, can go and enjoy this. So have fun making your own garland, and happy holidays!